First one is Frontend Mentor. Here you go into Frontend Mentor and scroll down here. This is so good. I think I have do a lot of practice here. Here are challenges like you go to and take a challenge and do yourself. After that you can post there and you will complete your challenge. They are real world challenges, so that help you to increase your capability of thinking in the design and in the front end patterns, and your how to make like designs in your project, how to implement those ideas. So talking about the next one is style stage. So style stage is, I think, it mainly focus on CSS and the HTML, where you have given this same site in the GitHub and you go and get contribute there by work it into your repository and make the same exactly site as style sheet, and you will post there and get the pull request, and after that giving this repository owner do your all and you can do that. So if your style design is good enough, then you can also feature here like so many guys feature. Let's try one of them. Which one? I think this one. Yeah, style sheet modern. This is the same exactly like that, but design and the different pattern that as individual can make there. So next one is talking about CSS Battle. Oh, that's one of the awesome. You also see the video about the CSS Battle and so many YouTubers making video. Yeah, so this is the given you log in there and start battling yourself and challenges of real world problems. So you can go there, and Gavin Powell, also you know about that, he's very great creator of our field, and for beginner intermediate everything you can get there, where you will start by free of cost and practice CSS Battle. So I think that's enough for here, and you can do there. Next one is code words. I love that. This is not for only the front end, it also for helping your programming. There are so many I log there, and you can choose many of programming languages to train yourself. How can you train? I choose C, C++, Java and the Python. That's I like so much these languages, and so I tried them, and as a weekly or daily when I'm free I go there and do work like the war. So next one is Frontend Practice. This one is the awesome website, yeah, where you have given so many real world examples, real world website. You go and take that website and make as it is easier. So labels like you level 1, level 2, level 3 website are given there, and you can choose one of them. They are the real old hosted in the browser, so that you can take them and get inspired from them and start making them exactly as well. So I have opened one of the website. This is the basic dev website, where this is the look, this is the parallel effect or scrolling effect, and this colors, gradient and font. You can take them like footer, so many things, and the bar is good. So next one I think is first time only. This is why I choose this website, because this help you to contribute on the open source. You have learned so much from that website, 5 website, and even you don't know how to contribute, how to make networking with others. But this is the one thing, as a beginner we can start to contributing from here, and that's I think good one is for you can contribute first time. Start from here, take one of the repository for listed here, listed like the code ring and good features dev issue. These are some of the great websites where you pull request here and you will feature like that you have requested and given the contribute on the open source. That will help you to in your future jobs.